Welcome to Niagara Falls, where adventure awaits. Get ready for an unforgettable experience as we explore the wonders of this natural marvel through various tours. First up, we have the Voyage to the Falls by Niagara City Cruises, where you'll embark on a thrilling 20-minute boat tour to get up close and personal with the breathtaking Niagara Falls. Feel the thundering roar, the awesome power, and the amazing mist as you witness the beauty of the falls. Book your adventure in advance with timed tickets for a hassle-free experience. Next, immerse yourself in the stunning scenery of Niagara Gorge with the Niagara Falls Freedom Jet Dry Tour. Departing from 55 River Frontage Rd, this tour promises comfort and style as you cruise through the Niagara River. On special evenings, experience the magic of Niagara Falls under a dazzling display of fireworks with the Falls Fireworks Cruise by Hornblower. Sail along the Niagara River on a state-of-the-art catamaran, complete with music and an onboard licensed bar. Book your tickets online and don't forget your complimentary mist poncho. For the ultimate thrill seekers, don't miss the Niagara Falls Wet Jet Tour. Brace yourself to get completely soaked as you ride the raging rapids of Niagara Falls. Whether it's the Voyage to the Falls, Freedom Jet Dry Tour, Falls Fireworks Cruise, or Wet Jet Tour, each adventure promises an unforgettable experience amidst the roaring waters of Niagara Falls. So, what are you waiting for? Book your adventure today and experience the wonder of Niagara Falls like never before. Don't forget to like and subscribe to ToNiagara for more amazing travel experiences. Until next time, happy travels!